What's blockchain? The blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. A decentralized ledger database of all transactions in a peer-to-peer network. Every node on the blockchain have a copy the ledger, no central variant. Every change added to the database should be verified by all the nodes. Why blockchain? Limits of the traditional system. Single point of failure. Server failure causes the entire system to stop operating. Centralization. The system is controlled by a central authority. Intermediaries. Participants should rely on a third party to maintain trust. Security. Central systems are easier to be targeted and tampered with. Blockchain is designed to solve those issues. Blockchain principle. Disintermediation. The core value of a blockchain is enabling a database to be directly shared across boundaries of trust without requiring a central administrator. This is possible because blockchain transactions contain their own proof of validity and their own proof of authorization instead of requiring some centralized application logic to enforce those constraints. Confidentially, every node in a blockchain independently verifies and processes every transaction. A node can do this because it has full visibility into database current state, the modification requested by a transaction, a digital signature which proves the transaction's origin. Blockchain principle. Availability. Nodes connect to each other in a dense peer-to-peer fashion. Every node processes every transaction, so no individual node is critical to the database as a whole. The blockchain ensures that nodes which went down can always catch up transaction key they missed. Immutability. Absolute persistence of data and unchangeable data history. Immutability is the feature of a blockchain that persists data forever. Free from censorship. Transparency. When everyone participating knows who is doing what and when errors and insider threats can be tracked and hopefully dealt with before serious damage is caused. Technical overview. Transaction, TX, block, blockchain, mining, miner, cryptography, digital signature. Transaction, TX. Transactions are the most important part of the blockchain system. Everything else is designed to ensure that transactions can be created, propagated on the network, validated, and finally added to the global ledger of transactions, the blockchain. Transactions are data structures that encode the transfer of value between participants. Each transaction is a public entry in the blockchain. The global double entry bookkeeping ledger. This is the transaction of blockchain technology.